This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. This delightful 2-bedroom/2-bath home is sited in the maintenance-free active adult gated community of Traditions. The open concept floor plan offers a spacious living room with tile flooring and an oversized glass sliding doors. The eat-in kitchen features maplewood cabinetry, closet pantry and a charming breakfast nook enhanced with chair rail molding. The formal dining area offers ceramic tile floors, vaulted ceiling and glass sliders allowing access to the fenced-in yard. The master bedroom suite offers a walk-in closet and wood laminate flooring. The master bedroom suite offers a walk-in closet and private master bath enhanced with a comfort height vanity and a tiled shower with glass door. Other amenities include a screened-in lanai, paved patio, gutters, irrigation system with irrigation meter, fenced-in yard with spot lighting, solid surface flooring throughout, laundry area located in garage, upgraded ceiling fans, and lighting, 2-car garage west/door opener, paved driveway, and walkway. The picturesque community of Traditions offers amenities such as a lakefront clubhouse, dock, and boat ramp, heated swimming pool, and spa, ballroom, billiards, meeting room, library, computer room, craft room, dog park, tennis courts, basketball, bocce, shuffleboard, fitness center, aerobics studio, and much more. Great convenient location close to shopping, medical facilities, and major routes. Monthly HOA fees include exterior house painting, cable, internet and lawn service, front yard only. For more information, review the